For 5 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise today with great admiration for the strength and grace that Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson has demonstrated throughout her nomination process for the United States Supreme Court. Last week, people from all over the world watched as she embarked on a journey that only 5 other women in history have taken. For too long, our judicial system and our government have not reflected the great talent and diversity of our nation. Like so many young women, especially our mothers and grandmothers, I had very few female examples to emulate at the beginning of my legal career. When I was at a pivotal age in high school, trying to decide exactly what path to take and what was even possible to achieve, I got to watch the nomination process for Justice Sandra Day O'Connor. She was the first woman ever nominated to our nation's highest court, and I was deeply moved by her poise and intelligence under questioning from the much older male senators. Her confirmation solidified in me a passion for the law and a belief that I could accomplish anything I set my mind to. I then went on to become a student of the Constitution myself, attending law school, practicing constitutional law, arguing in court, and fighting for justice. As an attorney, a state legislator, and now as a proud member of the Judiciary Committee in the United States House of Representatives. The world has completely transformed since I watched that confirmation hearing in 1981. Yet since that time, only 4 other women have joined our nation's highest court. Each of these justices brought a unique perspective and inspired young women across the country. Because of the small number of women who have been appointed, every time a woman is up for the bench, it is necessarily historic. I'm ready for it to be less historic. Although 51% of our population is female, of the 115 justices in American history, 110 of them have been men. And none of them, not one, has been an African-American woman. Mr. Speaker, that needs to change at a faster rate. Justice Ginsburg was once asked when there will be enough women on the court. She responded, when there are 9. If confirmed, Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson will be the next and the first African-American woman. And I'd like to say, when confirmed. Her nomination marks a momentous step forward in the long struggle for a judicial system that truly represents every American and delivers justice, fairness, and equality for all. I can relate to all the young women out there watching this nomination process, feeling inspired to follow in her footsteps. Don't be deterred or dismayed by the disrespect that's shown by a handful of senators. My message to you is, you can do this. No matter the challenges or the obstacles, you can achieve your dreams. Judge Brown Jackson said last week that her nomination is truly a testament to the hope and the promise of this country. She continues to give us new hope, especially to young women lawyers, and her rise to the highest court of the land holds out the promise of a brighter future for our country. Mr. Speaker, Judge Brown Jackson is an exceptional, extremely qualified nominee, and I look forward to calling her Justice Brown Jackson. Thank you.